CSC went out. Oh, the sound of freedom in the background, sorry. The clutch or the concentric slave cylinder went out, and so I got it put over there. We got it towed to the transmission shop. Ordered the clutch, the road race clutch and flywheel kit from Z1. Got some MTF. But I want to go drop that off. And all right, so the car was making a weird noise after we came back from. Okay, so well, not after, but like the day after the car show, the Nisfinity. Wanted to go, do an oil change on it, which I did. But while warming it up, it just sounded like a loud or a long. Not really loud. It was like a silent, like nails dragging on the chalkboard. That's what it felt like, or what it sounded like. And I was like, "What was that?" So I pushed the clutch in, and this noise seemed to go away, and then came back. And then I was like, "Well, I can do the oil change." So I did the oil change. And then when I went to go, I did the oil change, and then went to go test drive it. Not test drive, well, to make sure that it's not leaking and all that. And then when I was pulling home, the clutch was gone. The clutch pedal was to the floor, so I couldn't take it out of gear. So I kind of forced it like onto my driveway, and then turned off the car. Yeah, and then it was just making a super loud noise after that. But on their way to the transmission shop and dropping off the clutch kit, or the clutch, the flywheel, and the CSC delete from Z1 Motorsports. And what's funny is the car, I didn't know, so I bought like the old regular CSC, the concentric slave cylinder, because the slave is internal in the transmission. But I bought one of the regular style ones, but the metal body ones. And come to find out, after they towed my car and got it up on the lift, like it already had one. And then I think it was the Zspeed cmak. I'm not sure what version. When I sent the picture, they said it was probably version 1 or version 2. But yeah, it had a cmak on there, which eliminated the CSC. So the part that I did buy for the car didn't work anyway. But I went ahead and bought the Z1 CSC delete or elimination kit. So that will be going on there. But yeah, we gotta get to the transmission shop. Pulling up to the spot. United Transmission. So go drop off the parts, and then yeah, you can see where it is. Look, there's my car. Might get away with them. Well, Z1 goodies. Alright, CSC and clutch kit. I'll show you a picture of it later. Can I take a look at it real quick? Is it okay if I go?
Yeah.
I go? I'm over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Cause I didn't know it had this. That's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So weird, no?
Yeah.
If the person sells separate that crap. So I try to investigation that.
And yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, also you have double caliper in the back too.
Yeah, dual caliper.
Yeah,
Yeah, I put that.
Ah, yeah.
I put that. I also put this one. You know, I just didn't know. The only thing that I didn't know was this.
Yeah,
Everything else in the car.
When you buy the the system, right? Like the OEM thing.
What do you mean?
Because you bring the slave cylinder.
Yeah. I brought the OEM one. Yeah.
Yeah, like I see it to say, you know, it's a little
It's
different.
different. But yeah, that is.
Yeah, and your throw bearing is super destroyed inside. That is a problem like that.
It exploded, huh? It was a throw bearing that just. That's what it was. Yeah. So the slave was okay or no? Still no good because the pedal went all the way to the ground.
The problem I don't know because the throttle bearing is so much forward.
Yep.
So this one is so open. I don't know. You know, I can lie to you. Say yes or no. I can.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. So only I know that because I put the car. Rock and roll. That's it.
All right, man.
For sure, it's gonna be nice.
Hopefully.
I
you.
promise you something. I know what we want.
But yeah, that's the kit though that I bought.
I
so.
do one.
Oh,
One Eclipse a few years ago,
yeah.
and the guy say, and I went to test it there in the speedway on the side. I do it. I never do it. So. This is good, you know.
Also, I bought the rear main seal. If you guys can replace that.
Okay, so is that in
Yes,
the box?
yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So everything when that kit plus the rear main seal.
Okay.
So.
No problem.
Yay. Cars on the lift. All right. On my way to go pick up the car. Transmission shop call. It said that it's done. Yeah. Can't wait to see how it feels. So. Well, they're closing early today, so I got to go pick it up and then park it somewhere and then come back and get the car. But yeah, I'm gonna go and pick it up. It's on the ground. Oh. All right. Come back to me. Who? Right. Oh, is that what a clutch is supposed to feel like? So the plan is to leave this car here for now and then come back and get it. I had to make Julia come and take the or come drop me back off. So great. Gonna come back here by 5. Alright. We'll come back here. Back in the car. Julia's there. I had to go home and pick her and Jace up. Huh? Yeah, I'm good. Well, we're good for now. Yeah, good. Let's see if my AC works. That'd be cool too if it does. First question. So I gotta break it in though. Try not to rev it over 4,000, and then yeah, for maybe 500 miles. If I can help myself. Yay, got the car back. But yeah, I got the car back. Feels good. It's pretty. The clutch is pretty. I guess stiff or hard or pushed down. But I like it like that. So it's not too like light. It's still drivable. It's still drivable in traffic. With that. But yeah. All right. Well, we got the car back. Yay! And yeah, thanks to the transmission shop, United Transmission Shop, for putting it together, because I couldn't do it. But yeah, all right. On the way home. Yay! All right. Well, Z's back home. I'll put up the parts that I put into that. Well, I mean, I didn't put it into it, but the United Transmission Shop did. And let's see if so these are all the old parts. Yeah. This is the cover plate for the trans. Of course, it got replaced by the Z1 cover. And this was the old elimination kit. Yeah. So, taking a look at this, this was very bad. Yeah. There's the okay, well, yeah, this is the cmak kit from Zspeed, and I got the Z1 CS delete. What else? And the old flywheel. Oh, that's the slave mount for the cmak. Oh boy, this one hit me. Then the old rear main, since it was in there, I told him to get replace that, but clutch. And it smells bad in here. Well, this clutch does. Where's that part? Doesn't look so well. There we go. What a pressure plate, look at that. So when the throw-up area exploded, it got caught on something, and yeah, it like scratched it up. I don't know what to say, but it burnt. It burned something on it. This clutch is still good. It's still good. Maybe not that, but this is still good. Maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, so they gave me all that stuff back. Well, I asked for it back, but that's what came out of my car. That, and that. Alright, well, yeah, see what next video. What else I got going on before the battery dies. So that part looks super heated up. The bearing, or the throw bearing, looks like it. The top side or the bottom side got welded on to the bottom side or the top side, which way you want to look at it. But yeah, that's not supposed to open down. So that sits in there somehow, and it just messed it all up. Yeah. So, but it got replaced with a Koyo. It got replaced with this one from Z1. So you know it's good because it's made in Japan. I don't know, probably. But this is cooked. This one looks pretty good though. Still, okay. Like it's pretty good. Well, my battery's about to die. It's like 3% because this GoPro Hero 7 is pretty old. But yeah, just want to show that was the problem. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I still didn't put the camera arms, the front camera arms in it yet. But I did have to get rid of my circuit racing wheels because I had to order the clutch kit for this. So at least I sold the wheels to get parts back to the car. So not too bad. I'll just get another set. Sounds simple, but I don't have money. Help. Alright. Well. Bye!